So the other day, the wife came out here, and you guys saw that video. She came to check on the chickens. Now I'm coming out, and it's an absolute blizzard. So I got Chloe with me. Got Big Titus. Time to go take care of these chickens. Lucille, I'm on my way, Lucille. Dang it. Check out the new little chicken condo we got for him. Chickenville. And Lucille's the mayor. You guys got your party lights on? They got their party lights. Look at, there's their water. They got their heat going. They rocking. All right, let's get that water thawed and new water in there. Lucille?